Hello everyone, so today I will be talking about naturalisation, so making an application to naturalise as a British citizen. There are many routes to applying for naturalisation, but what I will do today is I will just talk about the basic requirements for the standard route to applying for naturalisation. So what is naturalisation? Naturalisation is essentially the application that a person has to make to the Home Office in order to become a British citizen. You cannot have a British passport without having obtained British citizenship first. In order to be eligible to apply for naturalisation, the person applying must be aged 18 or over, and they must have lived in the UK continuously and legally for at least 5 years, and they have had indefinite leave to remain in the UK for at least 1 year, so 6 years in total of living continuously and legally in the UK, and then that they have sufficient knowledge of English language and life in the UK. So there's 2 tests involved in that. So it's to demonstrate that they have sufficient knowledge of the English language, and then the other test is the life in the UK test. And then they must also demonstrate that they have not been outside of the UK for more than 450 days during those 5-year period, and then in the last year of staying in the UK that they have not been absent for more than 90 days from the UK, and also that they are a person of good character, and also that they intend to live in the UK permanently, so they intend to make the UK their residence. Naturalisation application is at the discretion of the Home Secretary. So this means that it's not an automatic right to have naturalisation in the UK or to become a British national in the UK. So it means that the Secretary of State will have to look at your individual case, as a whole, in order before they can determine, if a person should be granted naturalisation. So as you can see, applications for naturalisation is not straightforward. There's a lot of requirements involved, and I would definitely recommend obtaining legal advice to put the best case forward to the Home Office, especially because the fees to the Home Office are actually quite expensive, and also it's non-refundable. So you really want to ensure that you get it right and that you get a positive result from the application. Thank you.